Hi, welcome to Penelope's workshop. This is just going to be a short, quick video. I own a Tesla. I bought it in 2019, so it's approaching 6 years old. And one thing I've never had in it was a good place to put my sunglasses. So I found something on Amazon that looked like it might work. It's a tray that drops down. It fits underneath the big screen on the Tesla. There's some space behind the screen where it fits up nice and snug, and they figured out a pretty elegant attachment point. So let's just get on with that. I got this package from Amazon yesterday, and I just wanted to show you what I got. So I have a Tesla. I've had it for 6 years, and I've never had a good place to put my sunglasses in it. So I bought this. I saw it online. It's by TopFit. And again, I'm not advertising it. I just bought it and I'll see if I like it. It's called the under screen storage organizer. It costs 40 bucks or so, I think, on Amazon. So the idea is it goes behind the screen. And I looked and there is some space back there. So it comes with instructions in English on one side, I guess Chinese on the other side. It's got these two little foam tabs. I think these foam tabs are for if you have a Model 3 Highlander, the new version of the Model 3, and mine's 6 years old, so I won't need these. It's got a mat that fits, I guess, in the bottom of the tray so your glasses don't slide around on it. And then here's the tray, and I think it slides in and out, and these things are used to lock it in place. So let's go have a look at it in the Tesla. I'll meet you there. So it seems simple enough. Here's the frame of it, and it goes up there. Then these things slide inward to lock on the top of a frame that's just behind the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and put the rubber in first. It's a little awkward, I think. Slide these all the way out, and then you slide them in and then just tighten the nut to hold them in place. There's one. A little tricky to get it all the way up there, I think. That side's in. Just tighten it up. And then it just drops down. Here's the shelf from the driver's seat in the car. And you can see the tab there right below the screen. And it says open. So you just push where it says open and the shelf drops down. And I have these sports sunglasses that are really curved. And they're simply too thick to fit into the shelf and to be able to close it completely, as you can see. But regular, more flat sunglasses fit nicely and allow the shelf to be closed. And it's also a nice place to store my phone out of sight and out of mind while I'm driving. And I've used this on a long day trip today. And I like that shelf a lot. The shelf makes a sound kind of like a tray table on an airliner when you're putting it in its upright position. So I kind of like that sound as well. Well, that's a wrap on the Tesla tray. Thanks for watching.